Once we enter the store backend management system, the first step is to configure the settings. As you can see here, we have already filled in the store name, email, and phone number. For the next step, we need to upload a file for the store logo. When uploading this image, it is best to enter a description in the alt text field to explain what the image is. So we will simply type logo here. Next, we will add a banner. This banner should be 1650 pixels wide. Again, click Upload File and enter the corresponding alt text. This text is very useful because it helps your Google search ranking, allowing your store to appear in a higher position. Moving on to the mobile banner, select and upload your file, then enter your search keywords in the alt text field. For the list banner, you can either reuse the same image or upload a new one. Finally, for the shop description, we can try using AI to help us write it. We will select a specific sentence and set the format to H2, heading 2. We will also do the same for the section titled Why Choose Parker House. In this section, you can decide the layout for each page. Additionally, if you don't want to display your location, you can check the Hide Address box. Once you've finished all the steps, simply click Save.